It's a quiet evening at home with your family when suddenly, knock knock, two police officers are at your front door. You walk up to your door, you look through the peephole, and suddenly you hear the police officer say, "We have an arrest warrant for Alex Johnson. We have reason to believe he might be here. We need to come in and look. Open the door now. You must let us in." Alex is your friend, but he's not at your place. Do you have to open the door and talk to the cops? And can they actually come inside to look for him? Most people get this wrong, and it can cost them big time. That brings us to the key United States Supreme Court case of Stiegel versus United States. In this case, federal agents had an arrest warrant for a fugitive by the name of Lyons. They received an anonymous tip that Lyons was actually staying at the home of a man named Stiegel. The agents then showed up at Stiegel's house without a search warrant, entered into his home looking for Lyons. Of course, they didn't find Lyons, but they did find drugs that they then arrested Stiegel for. Stiegel fought back. He claimed that the actual search was illegal because they never had a search warrant to enter into his house. The federal prosecutors argued that because they had an arrest warrant for Lyons, that should be good enough for them to enter into Stiegel's home. The Supreme Court then made the very important ruling that just because the police have an arrest warrant for a suspect, that does not give them the right to automatically enter into a third party's home in order to perform a search for him.